guys, welcome to today's edition with William Mami, where we teach you more tricks about Pixellab. Have you ever been suffering about blending image within the background? That is the bottom part of the image for you to make the image to be like it is within the background. So if you have ever been suffering on that, then today your problem is solved. Not to waste your time, we'll go straight into Pixellab. Let's see how best we can import our image. So let's see how best we can upload one of those guys. Let's upload this guy. This guy will be okay. And then I give this a unique background, a background that will best suit us. Yeah, something very unique. Okay, so we want this guy image to be like it is in the background. There are a lot of ways you can do it, but one of the way is like this, right? You're going to import a shape in Pixellab. If you are import the shape, the next thing you do is go to the color. Click on the gradient color. If you have selected a gradient color, choose two different colors, and then you go to edit the plus button right before the color icon. The first color, click on the first color icon, and then go and edit it. The last area down, hold it to your left hand side. I'm sorry, hold it all the way to the left hand side. You're going to make it transparent. You hit OK. You see the upper area is already transparent. Then the lower area, you select the same color in the background. So to select the same color in the background, you can hit right here, then hit check mark. You're going to select the same color in the background, hit OK. Now that you have selected the color in the background, and then you can hit OK. This guy is like this. So we can go a little bit and adjust it. Carry on a little bit to make it more good. So you see that this guy image is like it is in the background. So you see how it's pretty cool. So this is how you can do it. uh Watch out for part 2 of the video. Please subscribe to this channel.